Hello guys, welcome back to iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you my contact is not showing on contact app on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Lot of iPhone users reported to iOS 17 update after when open the contact app then my card is not showing. Now the user's question is how to fix this issue on my iPhones. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. In iOS 17's my contact not showing problem fix. Now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app now scroll down and find out the contact. Now tap on the contact. After you can see also my informations options available. Now tap on that. Now select the which one contact as you select the informations about the my card on iPhone and iPad after iOS 17 update. Select this contact. After again come back in the home screens. Now again open the contact app. Open the contact app. After you can see also first one is my card. Now tap on it. After you can see also right hand side corner edit options. In edit you can edit the mobile number, email, addresses, birthday, dates, also number of things edit. Now tap on this done icon at the right hand side corner. This way too you can easily fix my card is not showing on contact app on iPhone after iOS 17 update. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.